When it comes to upgrading your kitchen, investing in a high-quality cookware set is essential. This VKoocy non-stick frying pan skillet set, featuring 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch pans, stands out as a versatile, durable, and user-friendly option. Designed with health, convenience, and efficiency in mind, this ceramic cookware set is perfect for anyone seeking a premium cooking experience. Let's dive into this comprehensive review to discover what makes the VKoocy non-stick pan set a must-have for your kitchen. Key features of the VKoocy non-stick frying pan set. 1. Eco-friendly ceramic non-stick coating. The VKoocy cookware set boasts an SGS, TUV, and BV certified ceramic non-stick coating, making it 100% free of harmful chemicals like PFOS and PFOA. This means you can cook confidently, knowing your meals are free from toxic substances. The ceramic coating not only ensures safer cooking but also provides exceptional non-stick performance, allowing for healthier meals with less oil or butter. 2. 3 versatile sizes. With 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch pans included in the set, you'll have the perfect tool for any culinary task. 8-inch frying pan, ideal for single-serving omelets or sautéing vegetables. 9.5-inch frying pan, perfect for preparing medium-sized meals or side dishes. 11-inch frying pan, great for family-sized meals such as stir-fries or pan-seared proteins. 3. Compatible with all stovetops. Whether you're cooking on gas, induction, halogen, electric, or ceramic cooktops, the VKoocy pan set has you covered. The high magnetic conductive stainless steel base ensures compatibility with all stovetops while delivering quick, even heating. The extended and thickened bottom design enhances durability and heat distribution, making these pans reliable for long-term use. 4. User-friendly and easy to clean. The rivetless interior design of these pans prevents food buildup, making cleanup a breeze. Simply wipe the pans with a paper towel or rinse them under running water. They are also dishwasher-safe, though it's recommended to clean without handles for prolonged durability. The VKoocy cookware set is designed for everyday convenience, making it ideal for busy households or novice cooks. 5. Stringent quality control. Every piece of the VKoocy frying pan set undergoes rigorous quality testing before leaving the factory. This ensures that you're investing in a product that meets high-performance standards and delivers consistent results in your kitchen. Why choose the VKoocy non-stick frying pan skillet set? 1. Healthy cooking made easy. The ceramic non-stick coating eliminates the need for excessive oil or butter, helping you prepare low-fat meals without sacrificing flavor. This set is perfect for health-conscious cooks who prioritize clean eating. 2. Professional-grade durability. Constructed with top-tier materials and backed by stringent quality tests, the VKoocy pans are built to withstand everyday use. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or searing, these pans maintain their performance over time. 3. A perfect fit for any kitchen. Thanks to its compatibility with all stovetops and a design that heats quickly and evenly, this set works in any kitchen setup. The 3 pan sizes offer unmatched versatility, catering to every type of cooking need. 4. Hassle-free cleaning. The rivetless interior and dishwasher-safe designs simplify cleaning, saving you valuable time and effort. 5. Elegant and practical design. The sleek black granite pattern adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Its stylish design pairs well with modern and traditional kitchen aesthetics alike. How does the VKoocy pan set perform in everyday cooking? Breakfast favorites. Use the 8-inch pan to whip up fluffy omelets or perfectly fried eggs, thanks to its superior non-stick surface. Hearty dinners. The 11-inch pan is ideal for family-sized meals. Whether you're making stir-fries, seared salmon, or one-pan pasta dishes, the even heating ensures consistent results. Quick side dishes. The 9.5-inch pan is perfect for sautéing vegetables or making smaller portions of rice or noodles. Oven-safe recipes. With an oven-safe design, you can transition seamlessly from stovetop cooking to baking, opening up endless possibilities for creative recipes. Final thoughts. Should you buy the VKoocy non-stick frying pan skillet set? The VKoocy non-stick frying pan skillet set is an excellent investment for anyone seeking reliable, health-focused cookware. Its eco-friendly ceramic coating, versatile design, and compatibility with all stovetops make it a standout choice in the market. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, these pans deliver superior performance, ease of use, and exceptional value. Say goodbye to sticky messes, uneven heating, and tedious cleaning with this all-in-one cookware set. Don't miss the chance to elevate your cooking experience. Grab the VKoocy frying pan set today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.